Welcome back to the channel, my people, where it's another day, another box, another review. Let's get straight into this one. So this pair we've got, if you can't tell already by the simple plain ASICS box, it is obviously a pair of ASICS. We'll get straight into the label, which says Gel KAYANO 14. The colorway on this pair is cream / cocoa powder. Size I've got is UK 10. If you want to read the rest, just pause it here. I say we get straight into this. Bam. So I'm just going to take a moment to say, have a look. Wow. What a lovely colorway. I really, really love this type of color, especially on ASICS, because they know how to do it right. So I'll just start off at the bottom and we'll go through the colors. As you can see, it's got beige and brown, beige and brown. So beige and brown on the top, we've got some beige in the middle, and then beige and brown on the bottom. Standard Gel KAYANO 14 sole. On the midsole, it's got that kind of beige, and then that, you know, like a different shade of beige all across. Again, standard Gel KAYANO 14 midsole. If you didn't know, then there's a reminder that this pair is a Gel KAYANO 14. So the whole upper has this kind of like coated kind of leather plasticky material. I don't know the name of it, if I'm honest. I'm slacking and I need to start learning names of materials all over again. Underneath the material, as you can see, is mesh, which is literally the whole shoe's mesh, and then it's covered by these materials. The materials, the colorway is again brown and beige, and as always topped off with some silver. Going towards the toe box, it's got this same beige type of colorway, cream colorway, very nice, and then like a better type of leather. Going all the way around, carries on, it's got that leather, and then on the inside it's got that same ASICS logo, this time without the silver, and instead it's got the brown and the beige, which I'll be honest, I prefer more to this side, so I believe it should have been done this way. This is also very annoying, so I'm just gonna take that off and throw it to the side. So the toe box, as always, or as a lot of ASICS pairs come, mesh, good old mesh in that lovely beige color. The tongue itself, again, as you can see, beige, and then the laces, same beige cream. I say beige, some people say cream. It is what it is. Then we've got a little loop to keep the laces together, and then on the top it's got that silver ASICS logo on the tongue, and then the inside is all beige with that brown, light brown ASICS or ASICS stamped in, and then obviously the Gel KAYANO 14. And then inside of the tongue, as always, the size tag, the way that ASICS do it, which is just kind of like a small square stamped in. Lovely. But yeah, I really, really, really love this shoe. However, one thing I don't love so much is the 100 layers of silver. I don't know why I'd say 100 layers, but yeah, a lot of silver on the upper. I'll be honest, this pair could have done with a bit less silver. It could have been done this way. That would have been so nice without all the silver. The silver, did it ruin the look? Slightly, yes. Are these still nice? Yes. But I won't give them a 10 out of 10. I'd rather give them, I'm going to say 7.5, just to be nice. 7.5 out of 10 for this pair of Gel KAYANO 14s. If it was like this with just the brown and beige, then it would have been probably way, way better. Probably would have given the pair a 9, a 10 out of 10. But yeah, I don't have too much more to say. If you know about the comfort, you know about the comfort. Sizing, always. I wear a 10 in ASICS. I usually go true to size in a 10. If you wear ASICS, you have different models. It's about the same size, to be honest. And yeah, new release, really nice pair. Could have been a bit better, but still very nice. Am I going to keep these? Yes. Am I going to wear them? Yes. I actually can't wait for these to be straight on foot. And if I'm honest, this is one of the quickest times I've done a review, because these just came and I jumped straight onto the review. But yeah, wait a few moments, you'll see an on foot video. I'll also post that video separately, as I always do. I also have plans to do a how much hype video, and I might do a lace swap. But yeah, let me know what you think. Comment below. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you hype. I definitely need more hypes. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you do. Wait a few moments, watch the on foot, and most importantly, take care, my people.